What's the meaning of call letters? Call letters. Call letters.
Call letters. Call letters. Call letters refers to the identifying letters assigned to radio or television stations. These letters are used for legal identification purposes and are often repeated during station identification announcements. They typically consist of 4 letters, but in some cases, 3 letters are used. The call letters are assigned by the government's Federal Communications Commission, FCC, and are unique to each station. They can reveal information about the station's location, ownership, and history. Overall, call letters serve as a way of differentiating between stations and ensuring they operate within FCC regulations.